Remember when Kyrie pushed the Chinese robot and it fell down and I think it broke? A lot of people thought the robot was mediocre. I thought so too. I thought it wasn't ready for production. I thought if that was the robot that they thought was going to take over the world, then humans stand a chance. Well, it turns out what we saw was just a tiny bit, and now the major product has been shown, has been displayed to the world. And I'm going to show you the video of Kyrie first, then I'm going to show you what the robot looks like today, and we'll talk about the technology in it.
You said try? Oh!
It looks broken to me. I thought it's broken.
My apologies. I thought I could push him a little harder. My bad. My bad. No, I pushed him too hard. He fell in. What about you, dog?
Where's dog out there?
Okay. So basically, that's the robot that we saw and we thought it wasn't enough. We thought that was bad. Now I'm going to show you what the robot is doing in 2026. China just released a video in their gala, and it's the craziest shit I've seen in robotics, like the craziest. Let's take it all the way back. Watch this. Do you see how he stopped the landing? They have it doing acrobatics with kids, which means they trust it. It could easily hurt the kids right there if they didn't trust it. To show there's some kind of advancement or software update to this robot that is doing something very impressive. I don't know if you saw something there. So while these ones are dancing, there are some other robots waiting right here, deciding when to come in. Now, I don't know if somebody is controlling them, but I think this was pre-programmed and they have a certain level of consciousness based on data. That's what I think. Because the robots are just waiting and eventually they're going to join the dance. And pay attention to the choreography. It's like 1:1 with the kids. They're doing exceptionally well. Now I'll tell you why this is very important. Check this part out. Watch this. That was a backwards move. They're just trying to show you the balance. Like, they want to show you the balance. They're trying to really flex to you that the balance is better than that of humans. That's to show you they've gotten all the joints, movements, and I don't know what the word is. Ergonomics. I don't know the right word, but they're just trying to show you that they've gotten all these movements correct. Look at the landing. I just thought of something. I just remembered. This is from one of my best movies, Drunken Master. I think that's what it's called, Drunken Master. I forgot. I watched this video before, but I didn't notice this part. Yeah, it is. Stop the rally. Incredible. Robots are now doing this. I don't know if you've tried doing this before. I've tried it one time. It's so dangerous. If you don't know, you can easily hurt yourself. I don't know how to do it by any means, but if robots are doing it fluidly, this is incredible. It's a big milestone. Like nailed every single thing, the entire movement. Now you might not be, I don't know, a tech nerd like I am, but I hope you appreciate that. Incredible. The movement was fluid. Everything was perfect. The decision making, I don't know. I don't think somebody can control it that fluidly. So I think it was pre-programmed and given like a set of rules so we can adhere to the environment and move according to the obstacles. And that's where it gets crazy. The same technology, or a little bit of the technology, or I can say the same, about 70% of the same technology is applicable in making autopilots in cars, because the robot has to be able to see obstacles and go around it or jump around it or something, just maneuver. And the fact that the robot was able to maneuver the way it did, it means they can easily transfer the technology to cars. And now you can basically get in the car and type "take me home." It's going to take you home and maneuver everything. That's basically what they've done. So to show you how incredible the technology is, I'm sure it's going to be a mix of cameras and LiDAR sensors on the robots to help it maneuver. But I just wanted you to know that the fact that they've been able to achieve that and make it fluidly, if they implement the same technology in cars, then we've achieved autopilot already. It might not have been implemented just yet, but I feel like we're there already. So now, and I'm excited to see what Tesla is doing, because I don't think Tesla has displayed their robots like this yet. You know, Tesla had the same plans, but I don't think we've seen the potential of what Tesla can do. I'm hearing they've gotten to full autonomy in their FSD, but I don't have a Tesla. There's no way I can test it. If you have a Tesla and you live in Canada and you want us to test it out, you know, feel free to reach out to me. But yeah, I'm impressed. You know, China took it to the next level again. I just recently saw Clean 3.0. I saw Cadence 2.0. Now I'm seeing this. It means AI and tech is doing very well, you know, in pretty good hands. Let me know what you think. Smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.